recording. Yes! Oh my god, we got it! Ah! I'm so hype! Oh my god, 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 oh my god. Oh my god. Kindred, goddammit, hurry up. When does he show up?
There's three stages. A storm is brewing, a storm is approaching, and the storm has arrived.
Oh wow! Oh my god, that's so great. I'm recording all of this. Oh my god.
Recording with OBS?
Yeah. I'm not on cam, I'm not live, I'm just recording.
No.
Oh god, Pike. I even unlocked my camera for this. I never unlock it on ARAM. Yeah, you can see the clouds changed in the back, too. Oh my god, this is so cool. Riot outdid themselves. As usual. Oh crap. I'm out of here. Hold up. Pike. Pike. No, Pike, no! But does it show up when everybody's there?
Yeah, everybody sees it.
Everybody's. But what if you're dead?
And you can still go to the area and see them. That's what you unlock.
Because this Piz, oh my god, this Pike is like consistently irritated with the Fizz, but also with the Pike. Yeah, the Pike keeps hooking me. I'm like, it's not gonna be a good day for me. Oh my god, look at this, look at this, look at this. You see the thunder in the background? Aw, yeah. Aw, yeah. We all see the big boy, baby.
There we go.
I'm gonna make a goddamn effort to not die because I really want to see him. Oh my god. Okay, you're squishy. Get out of my face. Oh, the storm draws near. Step 2. What has changed on the map?
I think everything still looks the same.
Oh my god, this is so exciting!
Ready?
I'm ready.
You can hear him.
Ah, yeah! Look, it's Volibear! It's the big boy! Hi! Oh my god! Oh my god! This is perfect. Riot has officially outdone themselves. Does he stay there the rest of the game?
He just stays there for a little bit.
Aw, yeah. Look at that boy. Ooh. You don't even need to see me suck in this game.
He's leaving.
Oh, bye, Volibear. He is freaking huge.
Yeah.
Oh, that was the best. Oh my god, that was the best. That was so worth. Oh my god, that's what I hate about Pike, is his ability to chain attacks. It's so wild. Oh my god. Yeah, ain't nobody need to see the rest of this. This was just for Volibear. Oh my god. He was too perfect. You know I'm gonna play the shit out of ARAM for the next few days just to keep seeing the Volibear show up.
Yeah, it's fascinating with the volley.
No, it's just, it's such a cool, like, effect. Like, wow. I'm, like, super fascinated by it. Like, wow. Did they just, like, mod a whole map for this? Like, I think Riot outdid themselves, with the Volibear. Shut up, Pike. Get out of my face. I think Riot outdid themselves. Like, really. Like, a lot.